Hi, welcome to tutorial on Silver Scan Tool. In this video, you'll learn how to adjust Silver Scan Tool to your needs. For successful communications with the ECU and meaningful display of diagnostic data, certain settings must be made manually. To do this, click on Option in Main menu. Click on Settings. On the left side of Settings window you can see list of options for setting. Click on Communication. Here you should choose the diagnostic protocol that your ECU supports. You can use drop-down option and choose desired protocol. You can click on Automatic. This option allows to detect the protocol automatically. Baud Rate. Here you can select the baud rate at which you want Silver Scan Tool to communicate with the ECU. Interface. Select the diagnostic interface that you want to use. Click on the button. Interface selection window will open. Select the desired interface. Silver Scan Tool searches for installed interfaces automatically and offers these for selection. Many manufacturers will supply a configuration tool for their interfaces. This application can be launched directly from Silver Scan Tool. Just select the configuration next to the interface selection. Defines the delay time in milliseconds to wait before sending a new address word. The unit is milliseconds. You can set the desired delay time. Default will be 100 milliseconds. Delay time before request. Choose your time in milliseconds here that you want to delay the request towards the ECU. Default value, 0 millisecond. Increasing the delay value decreases the overall data transfer speed but also reduces the load on the bus. You can find the settings for the log files. You can either output a simple or an extended log file by selecting the matching option. If you want to output an extended log file, you can select the information you want to output, requests and responses of diagnostic protocol, transmitted CAN messages, function calls of communication interface. You can also append a consecutive 3-digit number to your log file's name. It's possible to create CAN trace files for CAN-based protocols like UDS. If the corresponding option is selected, an additional file will be created for every log file with the same name, but with the ending ASE. This option is only available if the option transmitted CAN messages is selected. At the bottom you can find the button Open Log Directory to open the folder in which the log files reside. The button Open Log File opens the latest log file, whereas the button Send Log File opens an empty email, which is addressed to the customer support. Program Start option allows settings at start of program. Select the language. Select date and time. You can select font size, desired design, system usage. Directories option provide where the output file should be located. You can click on button and select the path. Standard path option. Under Standard Output File you define the name of the file that will be used in File Save Current Page. Select the desired format. You can save the measured value in standard format or physical format. Recording. Select the directory to save the recording. You can create recording file name automatically by selecting this option. You can choose desired format. Choose file type, option like text file in CSV format, INC of file format or measurement data format in MF4. You can record OBD measured values of mode 1, 6, 9 from all ECUs or by selected ECU at the time of recording. You can record the measured values for every seconds. Choose the option and input desired value. You can choose absolute timestamp in recording file. Display options. You can set measured values to which columns you want to display, and you can set the order of the column. A preview of your settings can be found at the bottom of the window. In Extended you have display option for OBD protocols. Choose the desired option and language to display. Remote control. You can control Silver Scan Tool using web services. In order to use them, you have to activate the option Enable Remote Control via web services. Silver Scan Tool only accepts web service commands from authorized IP addresses. Your local IP address 127.0.0.1 is always enabled. Notification option gives information whenever there is fault memory. You can select the desired DTC classes to evaluate. After Settings All option, click on OK. Click on Start Communication. All the settings made will be applied to the current and future recording. Thank you for watching.